What an exciting day. Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. I know it is a very early video this week, but like I said in my last video, I'm throwing my schedule out the window, and while I'm in isolation, I'm gonna post videos whenever I want. So today's video is super exciting because it is from a new venture from Lush Cosmetics, and it is the return of the Lush Kitchen, which has been a thing I have been anticipating since they actually stopped it. When was it? Like a year? 2 years ago? It's been so long that my brain has just forgotten. If you didn't know about the Lush Kitchen used to be an exclusive online product line kind of thing. So every week they would have a menu of 2 products which were released on each day, and you would either have probably a week to 24 hours to buy it because it was made in like limited batches. So that used to be my obsession. I spent most of my money on that, discovered new favourites. Shout out to Big Calm Shower Jelly, which to this day is probably my favourite shower jelly, and I'm kind of sad that it's not a thing. And this year they announced Lush Kitchen is returning, and this time it is actually a monthly subscription box. So to get all the boring details out of the way before we delve into what is in this month's box, it is £38 a month, and you pay postage and packaging on top of that, I think, for standard delivery, and you get to vote every month for what products you want to be in the box, and then they chuck in a couple of extras that you won't know nothing about, and by the time it's being dispatched and you get it in your hands, you will actually know what actually came on top with the vote. So you won't know what will be in your box until you actually get it in your hands, and it's just super exciting. It feels like a taste of old Lush Kitchen, but it's like a new thing which I think Lush should have done ages ago. So what I've got for you guys today is the May box, which is actually the first ever box, and I can't even remember what the votes were for. I know there's always soap, hair, like shower stuff, bath. I don't know about skincare. I can't remember if there was skincare to vote for, but it is in this size box here. And can we just talk about the packaging? It is popping. Like, it is so pretty. So I just opened this up for a photo for my Lush Instagram, which is on the screen here, and I'll link it in the description box below. But they've gone to so much effort. It is amazing. Like, every single detail in this subscription box is spot on. It is very much like new shop Lush style kind of aesthetic. So as you open it up, it says fresh from the kitchen. I just love the font. It is amazing. And then it says May 2020, but it's so cool. I just absolutely love it. A lot of people are posting pictures with that first before they show the products, which I'm going to do as well. So don't worry if you're from Instagram and you don't want to see. Click off this video if you don't want to see either. I just looked at the back of this. Okay. So obviously this is your receipt. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay. So if you do want to see what is in this glorious box of EcoFlow, then just carry on watching. So I don't know what to even go for, but okay, I've seen one thing. We'll start with that. Okay, this one is kitchen exclusive shower gel, Super Tramp. Ooh. So this one, you got white horehound and peppermint leaf infusion, lemon balm, rose petal and lavender flower infusion. Right mix. So I've never smelt this in my life, but it's like a Lush favourite on Instagram. So let's see. It's quite floral, but then also quite herbal and sweet at the same time. Do you know what? That actually reminds me of Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds, which has got frankincense and patchouli in. So that is quite nice actually, and it's quite nice dark colour as well. It's very, kind of want to say gothic and Halloweeny. Like I can imagine this product being a Halloween release in the future because it's very like dark. So that's the first product, which I'm very happy about. The second one in here, ooh, it looks like a moon. Ooh, ooh, it's very heavy. Ooh. It smells like Lucky Cat. So this one's moon on the stick, I think. It says here. And that one is jasmine, that's why it smells like Lucky Cat, neroli and lang lang. So it's a bath bomb, but on a stick. Wow. It's very cool. I love the detailing to make it look like a moon as well. Does it come off? Yeah, it comes off. I'm really interested. I think I'm gonna like dip it in slowly. I wonder if there's any colour in the middle as well. But it would be quite nice to have like a milky white bath. I've never heard of this product, so I don't know. But it looks like it's a little bit of blue actually on here. So there might be a swirl of blue. That actually might be quite pretty. Can't wait to use this. So I'm going to put this gently here. Next one, let's see. Is there anything else in that section? No. Ooh, I see something wrapped in plastic. Ooh, 29 High Street, fun. Okay, it's the intriguing sense of our original shop in Paul. Embody jasmine flower infusion, warming sandalwood oil, and brightening citrus oils. Do you know what? That actually smells of blush. Like, that's actually amazing. Like, everyone says, I know Aubergine bath bomb is 29 High Street, but this just smells more 29 High Street because it's not got that powdery element of a bath bomb. Yeah, I always tell customers like 29 High Street is just supposed to smell like the Lush shop. So this is really cool. So you get 2 blue sections and a white section, and obviously it's multi-purpose, so you can use fun as a hand soap, shampoo, bubble bath, and also make shapes out of it. So you could make a nice lolly out of this for summer, which is quite cool. And I think this is the exclusive pick, which is amazing. And it'll be so good to make a bath cocktail with this. This and this will probably go so well together. Oh, yes, I literally can't wait. I think I'm going to save this for the weekend because it's only Monday and that would be such a nice weekend pamper, literally. So next one, ooh, someone in a pot. Guys, oh my god, it's abominable, but a shower jelly. What the frick? What the frick? Okay, so it's got mint infusion, fresh orange peel infusion, carrageenan extract, peppermint oil, and Brazilian orange oil with vanilla absolute. I've seen a lot of this because I think this is actually a Harajuku bath bomb, but my store never ordered it, so I don't know what it smells like. Oh my god, it's seaside rock. It literally smells like a seaside rock. It's rock. It is rock. This takes me back to my childhood. Oh, what the frick? This is such a perfect main box so far because we're literally just in June and it's like summer and you're getting ready for summer, and like, because you're in isolation, you want to do so many summery things, but all this takes you back to summer childhood so you can kind of relive it from home. Oh, I absolutely love this, and I don't want to take him out, but look at the colours. That is just stunning. That is Instagrammable colours. It's so right. I'm literally so happy with this box so far, and I don't think I've even finished it. That chef's kiss, guys. Chef's kiss. Okay, and the next one, ooh, we got a little bottle. I've heard lots about this, but I've never smelt it. Sonic Death Monkey. Ooh, sounds very intriguing. There's coffee, cocoa powder, and hibiscus flower infusion. And there's also fresh lime juice, sea salt, wild orange oil, tangerine oil, and vanilla essence. I see a theme here. There's a lot of floral and citrus. So I've never smelt this, so this is my first impression. It's chocolate orange. It is actually chocolate orange. What the heck? How did I not know they've made a chocolate orange shower gel before? Like, you get a hint of the coffee, but that makes it a bit more of a warmer chocolate smell. I actually love this. I'm literally running out of shower gel. I'm literally down to like my last 3-4 bottles of shower gel, and that is a first for me because usually I'm like have an abundance of shower gel on my last shelf. But these have saved the day. These free shower products. I don't need to bother going to the website because I've already paid for some good products. Like, this is amazing. I'm actually so impressed. Is there anything else in this box? Let me check the sheet. Yeah, so that is actually it for the box. So you get 5 products for £38, and that ain't too bad, to be honest. Just think, this will probably be about £5.95, so that's £6. This will probably be about 15, so that's already into £20. And this will probably be about £5. This will probably be about maybe £7, and this will probably be about £6-7. So it's kind of getting your money's worth, plus they're exclusive products, so you can't buy them separately online or in the store. So yeah, so this is the menu. So Jack's picks were 29 High Street, the fun, and the shower jelly. Great job, literally. I'm so happy, Jack, with you. You've chosen amazing products, and I'm especially happy with this because it literally smells like seaside rock sweets that you get before you left the seaside. I don't know if any of you guys think the same thing about the smell, but yeah, 5 things, not too bad. And I voted for June already, and the June menu looks amazing. So hopefully, fingers crossed, what I voted for is in the box. But to be honest, every single thing they've asked for June to be voted on, if that makes sense, is amazing, 5-star. So I'm very happy with this. So if you guys enjoyed seeing a sneak peek of what is in the Lush Kitchen subscription box for May, do let me know in the comments what your favourite product is. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates when I will next upload a video. And hopefully next video will be a nice 5-star Animal Crossing island tour, because today I need to go villager hunting for Ketchup, fingers crossed, or any other cute peppy villager, because Dottie has asked to leave. So yeah, that's my agenda, and once someone's moved in and settled in, I will do an island tour, which will be up hopefully at the end of this week or next week. So yeah, have a lovely rest of your week, enjoy the sunshine, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye!